On this episode, we make a super quick barbecue chicken sandwich. Hey guys, welcome to Livecast. Making a, as you've just heard, a barbecue chicken sandwich. Like super quick. Because Max has got to go home.
What did you just say? As fix my mistakes?
Fix his mistakes. All right, so look. You know how I feel about using up leftovers. This was a deli roasted chicken 2 days ago. I suppose it still is. Now it's not a deli roasted chicken, now it's just deli roasted chicken. But this plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever things is gonna make a great sandwich. So let's start by doing this. I'm just gonna take this leftover chicken and put it right here. Just get it sizzling, just shred it a little bit more. Get it sizzling in the pan. Cool?
Cool. You're the king of deli roasted chicken.
I love a deli roasted chicken. I could do a whole deli roasted chicken cookbook. Back up for 1 sec, sorry.
I'm so sorry for talking to all the people who don't like me talking.
People don't like you talking?
Some people.
Wow, that's just gotta make you feel like shit, doesn't it?
Cameraman, shut up.
Back up 1 second, hold on. All right. So look what's gonna go in. Some plain barbecue sauce.
Nice.
If it comes out. Maybe too much. Shit.
Scoop a little up.
It'll bubble away. A little vinegar because it makes it like tangy, like a proper pulled pork, pulled chicken kind of sandwich. That's hot. I gotta start that fire. It's gonna be fine. And then a little chipotle. And I think the only way to do this is I gotta cut one of these. Chipotle pepper right here. I could just have used the sauce that was in there, but honestly, I'm almost down to the end of it. There really wasn't very much sauce yet left. So that goes in. Watch this. A roll. Watch this. We cut. Put a little butter on it just to get some color. Of course. That is smelling like pulled pork right now, except as we know it's chicken. So now this. Mix that chipotle in there. Oh no, the sauce was fine. You want it a little saucy. And now this extra sauce is just kind of going to burn away a little bit. Okay, that's doing its thing. This is doing its thing. We need some lettuce. I think the basic iceberg is the perfect one for this. It's cool, it's crunchy. It's gonna be delicious. Iceberg, that. Bun. Cheese. Munster. Come on, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See what's happening here? Now, we'll just do this. I could probably get 2 out of here. I'm just gonna throw 1 piece of cheese in here. See, most of that sauce is sort of gone. Let that do its thing. I'm not getting any color on this bun. A lid. to help that, sorry, one more time. Mayonnaise. Japanese mayonnaise. I try not to use crazy ingredients, and I don't. Japanese mayonnaise is one that I think you should get. It's delicious, it's tangy. Fat is fat. If you're gonna use a fat like mayonnaise, you should use a fat with flavor, and that's this Japanese one, available online from like Amazon or something, but definitely much cheaper from like a Chinese or a Japanese market. And by the way, it's Japanese, but the Chinese markets will all have it. Look at that gooiness. That's perfect. That's perfect. I can turn that off. This guy's now nice. So we go like this. I think that looks like a lot of mayo, but a fork, but it's worth having for the extra mess, because the mess is what it's all about. Okay, now we take this, and now we take this.
From driveways, walkways, and lawn areas to outdoor kitchens, fire pits, landscape lighting, and more, no other company can enhance the beauty and value of your home with the same commitment to quality as System Pavers. Outdoor living designed around you.
And now we try and, a little bit of some beautiful crispy lettuce right here. And now this goes on top.
Wow.
Right? How is that not wow? That's total wow. That's super wow. I don't know what super wow means, but that's it. Should I cut it?
Yeah.
And there you have it. And the taste test. Look at that. Do you see the gooiness?
Oh yeah.
That is fantastic. That's almost a picture right there. God. All right. Leftover deli chicken, barbecue sauce, little chipotle, little bit of spice, on a bun, crispy lettuce. Just make it, please. I implore you. I implore you, make this. And the smokiness from the chipotle is so good, and the sweet barbecue sauce, it all works. All right, thanks for hanging out. Don't eat the same crappy food. Make something new.